WGNS now has an update to a news story that unfolded in May of last year. The most recent update shows that the suspect accused of gunning down a man in a dispute over a vehicle is now scheduled to appear in a Rutherford County Circuit Courtroom next Wednesday, February 19th. The shooting occurred outside of a gas station on Joby Jackson Parkway, and when Murfreesboro Police arrived at the scene, they located 23-year-old Devon Loritts, who was a resident of Georgia. Authorities say they found him with multiple gunshot wounds. The altercation was captured on video surveillance at the gas station and also by onlookers. Rutherford County Assistant District Attorney Trevor Lynch explained.
Mr. Loritts had been shot multiple times in the back and died from his injuries. Officers also located Mr. Eric Mitchell, the brother of Mr. Loritts. Mr. Mitchell had been shot once in the arm and beaten across the head, face, and body. Also on scene were Mr. Juan Charco and his brother.
Mr. Loritts was flown by LifeFlight helicopter from the scene of the incident to Vanderbilt Medical Center. But again, he died not too long after the helicopter took off. Juan Charco, age 27, is charged with the first-degree murder of Loritts, and also the attempted first-degree murder of Loritts' brother, Eric Mitchell, who is also at the scene. The assistant DA further explained what is believed to have happened.
Officers discovered that Mr. Charco and his brother were in the process of illegally transporting a vehicle that was owned by Mr. Loritts from Atlanta to Nashville, Tennessee, without Mr. Loritts' knowledge or consent. Mr. Loritts and his brother, Mr. Mitchell, confronted Mr. Charco and his brother and took the vehicle back at gunpoint. When Mr. Loritts and Mr. Mitchell were attempting to drive away in their own vehicles, Mr. Charco retrieved a semi-automatic rifle and shot over 25 times at the two men.
Murfreesboro Police initially told WGNS in an email, and I quote, "The preliminary investigation reveals the incident may have started over the disputed ownership of a car. It was a Chrysler 300. Loritts had previously purchased the car from Charco, again according to Murfreesboro Police. In the obituary for Mr. Loritts, it showed that he had a passion for music and was an aspiring rapper, musician, and content creator in Atlanta, Georgia. As for the suspect, Juan Charco, he was a resident of Antioch. And again, Charco has been charged with first-degree murder, attempted first-degree murder, aggravated assault, tampering with evidence, theft of property, reckless endangerment, and employing a firearm with the intent to go armed during a dangerous felony. Court records show that the upcoming arraignment is on February 19th, and a plea hearing has already been scheduled for March 11th of this year. Charco will appear in the circuit courtroom of Judge Barry Tidwell. For WGNS News, I'm Kincaid Wilson.